Quick question. You need to draw your user's attention over here, but the arrow element you have is pointing over here. What do? Right, you flip it horizontally. Similarly, sometimes you need to flip an image to make it a better fit into your graphic. But how do you do that? I'm glad you asked, because today I'm going to show you how you can do that and more using Pixelight. So to get to our editor, type in pixelight.com/upload, and here we are. Now there's a library Pixelight has of really well curated templates. Now feel free to play around these, but I'm going to stick with my image that I want to flip. So click on this upload image button and you can select an image from your storage. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so I have the image onto the Pixelight editor. Now to flip this image, just select it and go to this flip button over here. Now you can click on this button to flip it horizontally, or you can click on this button to flip it vertically. Okay, so flipping it vertically doesn't make sense for this photo, so I'm going to use this button again to flip it again. Okay, but now that you are here, you'll see a bunch of more options Pixelight has to edit this image. So let's go over them one by one. Okay, let me resize this image first and bring it in the middle of the board. Now you'll see we have a bunch of options here. So this is the border button. You can use it to add a border to this image. So just click on this add border tick box. You can increase the width and adjust the color from here. So you can either add a hex code or you can play around this bar. I'm going to stick with black for now. Okay, so what's next? This is the shadow button. You can use it to add a shadow. So increase the X and Y axis, increase the blur, and you'll notice we have a nice shadow effect over this and this side of the image. Okay, so this looks good. Now to download this, go to this download button over here, click on it, and you can choose a format. So let's say I want a PNG. Click on PNG and select download. And the image is downloaded, so let's check it out one last time. Okay, this looks amazing. Alright, so we saw how easily we uploaded our image to the Pixelight editor. We flipped it and made it look much more aesthetic with just a border and a shadow. So go ahead to pixelight.com/upload and make some aesthetic changes to our images. Also, stick to this channel because Pixelight has got a lot for you in store.